Hello, this is Dave, aka Dave's Airplane Corner. Welcome to my home. Let's go check out some plants. I have been living in this house for 2 years now. Since I moved here, I had a lot of freedom to really decorate the whole house with plants, and I kind of went for it. If I have to estimate the amount of plants I have in this house, it's probably more than 1,000. Yeah, it's a lot. So this is the Dave's Airplane Corner. As soon as I saw the space when we were looking at the house, I just had to turn it into a plant corner because how it's south-facing with very good light. I have a lot of hanging plants here. A lot of them are the air plants. When I saw these plants, Tillandsia Tectorum, I call them Snowball. I just had to get one for myself, and they've proven to be one of the most popular ones in the shop as well. And they grow very slowly. If you have air plants, you will know. So this is, quite an accomplishment, and I'm very happy about it. It just hangs here year-round at the window, and it's very happy. I got into houseplants, or just plants in general, back in, I think it was 2014-15, and we just got a few succulents from IKEA, and I thought some of them looked so cute, the round and like flashy ones. So I just, started to grow some myself, and from there expanded to air plants, and yeah, the rest is history. This one over here is a special air plant for me. I've had this for probably 4 to 5 years now. It's Tillandsia Xerographica. They call it the queen or king of air plants. And this one, it's special because I had a bloom. After it bloomed, I cut the bloom because it saves energy for the plant. And then it will start to produce the pups, and that's what happened right here. The big giant baby is the pup of this mother plant, and it's pretty much ready to be removed now, but I kind of just want to keep it like this until the mom really fades out. So this one over here is one of my newest air plants in collection. It's a pretty expensive one, a rare species. So I gave it a special treatment and mounted it on this wood. And this is the main plant shelf, I call it. And some of the quirky, planters that I collected over the years. And yeah, I just kind of keep them on the shelf, and they look very nice with my air plants. Having, cute ones that just is very funny to look at too. So this one over here is a jewel orchid. They're known for their leaves, not their flower. So I'll open it here. So the leaves are just super cool. Again, this is one of those plants you see it on Instagram and you're like, I have to have one. Yeah, but they look like lightning on the leaves, and it's just super cool. And this shelf over here is the air plants for my airplane shop, Dave's Airplane Corner. And some of the favorites from the shop would be the Snowball that I talked about earlier. These are the smaller ones. The reason they're so fuzzy is because the trichomes, which are the hairs on the air plants that absorb water, are super thick and very pronounced. So they give off this snowball-y look. Ionantha is always a very popular plant because it's a great starter plant. They don't cost a lot, and they are just easy-going plants. So this one over here is called Tillandsia Seleriana. It's one of my favorite air plants. It's so bulbous at the base, and it also has a lot of trichomes. It's very fuzzy, and it just feels great to hold. So for air plants, I try to soak them once a week And by soaking them, it means to submerge the entire plant in a bucket or a tub and just let them sit there for hours. Yeah, to let them really soak up all the moisture they need. And then dry them promptly. I do have one more cool plant space to show you, so follow me. So here I have two IKEA cabinet. I have a really fun philodendron lime green one here that I always just love looking at. Here I have a new orchid there that's just mounted on a cork board. And yeah, I just have to mist it every few days to keep the humidity up. And then over here, I can open this one. So I try to keep the humidity around 55 to 70 using the tray here with the pebbles. I just kind of like pour water into the pebble tray to keep the humidity high. And some fun ones here. This Alocasia Melo has such a cool pattern. It's one of my favorite. Anthurium, I have a few in this cabinet. This one has such a cool texture as well. Other than, my regular job, during the day, if I'm not practicing or teaching, then I just start to take care of all the plants. I started learning piano when I was 4 and violin when I was 7, I think. It's always been a big part of my life, and also I've been teaching for 15 plus years now. There's definitely a lot of articles I've read that plants can hear and they can, react to music. So I always find it very cool when I'm practicing, especially in this room with the piano. Some of the plants in this room can enjoy. I really enjoy having plants in my life and in my home. I kind of have something to do. It makes me feel, very closer to nature, I guess. That's a big one. And also, yeah, like you have many children in the home almost. Yeah, so it's a good feeling.